Sean here, and I just got some new Packouts. We got a big old Packout kit. Chihuahua. Where do we go? It's time to figure these things out. We're gonna add some stuff to them. I was just getting into some customization. I had a really good idea involving this guy right here. There's got to be a cool place to put a battery charger in your awesome Packout kit. I'm hungry. Do I put it in here? There's just no good spot to put a battery charger in the Milwaukee Packout kit until today. Spin this around. Pop. Poppity pop. Battery charger. This is a really cool spot. It says 102 millimeters. Well, that's nice. Alright, so I've blunted one of the screws that I was using. Tighten against the top of our unit. She's locked in. Wow, awesome. Booyah. Bad hair day.